Recently, an outbreak of hoof and mouth disease destroyed the livestock that is used to cultivate land in and around the Lusaka region of Zambia. This sub-Saharan country relies on agriculture to feed its families and garner its wealth. The 85% of the population that relies on agriculture is stuck with an annual income of only $1,500 and only 20% of its arable land being cultivated or prepared for harvest. A local farmer with a two-wheeled tractor can cultivate their land in a much shorter amount of time. This will allow the villages to rent out the tractors to surrounding areas, thus not just helping their village but surrounding villages. The tractor themselves have multiple uses. Besides cultivating, the tractors can be adapted for planting and harvesting. A wagon attachment allows for transportation, and the tractor can be used for running water pumps or grain milling devices.
We've done a lot as a school. We've Skyped with Mr. George Sherman, and we have made a huge organization we now call Zinc. It's where we make bracelets and ebooks and a bunch of other things to help raise money to get a tractor for the Zambians.
I went on a website and I made shirts, and on the front it says Project Cope, Raising Hope, and in the back it says change the world today, start with the next person you meet, and it has the person who wrote the quote, Dylan Burrows.
We developed a theme called Learn Globally, Serve Locally. Learning globally about the needs in Zambia and how different than they are the needs of the students here in Birmingham, Michigan.
They were really able to grasp is empathy through the use of us collaborating and trying to figure out how can we raise all this money. Having the students put themselves in their shoes and what would it be like is definitely a motivator.
I think first and foremost, our pen pal effort is a little bit on hold because there's budget needs to support an infrastructure over there to allow for us to communicate. There's not a mail delivery system. They need bicycles. They need really sort of rudimentary tools to make this happen. It would also support our continued efforts to purchase and implement some Microsoft technologies that would allow us to communicate on the ground in Zambia with Victor Fury, one of the co-chairs, who does have some technology available.
We're not just learning, we're experiencing. It's not just facts that we've learned and it's done, and once we raise the money it's over with. It's continuous. It's one time we'll get a tractor, then next year we want to send a couple kids there and teachers there. We want to be close with Zambia.